blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. There are moments in life when people around us, sometimes they're the ones that we depend on. They make us feel so small. They speak words that can humiliate, that can embarrass, and that can make us feel so stupid. But there is one thing God is reminding us, that we are not what this people is calling us, because you are created by God to be in purpose. God says in Psalm 139 verse 14, you are fearfully and wonderfully created. And God never wants you to be treated like trash. You see, humiliation is not coming from God. But sometimes we need to stay in a painful place because we need a job, we need the opportunity to support our needs. But God also said in Proverbs 4 verse 23, guard your heart. And it means protect the soul that God has given you. Do not allow toxic people to destroy what God is building in you. And when you decide leaving the place of humiliation, it is not a weakness. Rather, it is a wisdom, because it is for your own protection. And so when you step out of that unhealthy environment, you are stepping in God's plan. Because if you think the door is closing, but it is for your own peace, and God opens a better one, where you can grow with respect and dignity. Remember this, brothers and sisters. You are not created to be humiliated. You are created for a purpose, and you are a child of God, and He delights in you. Hope this gives you encouragement, and thank you for listening. To God be the glory.